Welcome to my show. What's your name? Ryan. That's it. So most of want to know where fans want to know about your life.
Well, in 1999 I woke up and got married to a pineapple, an ugly pineapple, but I love her.
Oh really? Moving on, tell us about your childhood.
Childhood, I was in a refugee. I saw a man with a knife cutting a live chicken and I was like, holy sh.
No bad language. Tell us one of your talents.
My talents HMMU. I know. One of my talents is imitating a woman.
Wow. Mama. Alright, let's finish the show.
The end.
Please subscribe.